At 33, Houston up 17 spots in the rankings. They beat Colorado this week. They are also on a bye.
Hey, we talked about this last week. I said, I'll eat my words. I said, Jacob, that Colorado is a better opponent with better pedigree than who Houston's been playing. And you know what? You must have called that team. You must have said, hey, Willie, I got a buddy, and you need to go smack down on Colorado so I can talk smack on him.
I wish you could see me right now, Spencer. I am fist pumping in the air, holding my hands up. Houston Cougars, baby. Put the beat down on Colorado. They are here to make some noise in the Big 12.
And they jump from 50 to 33. Once again, the S&D giveth. If you win and you beat quality opponents, up you go.